The cost of this signal and analysis for you is to like, comment, share, and subscribe to fuel your passion and keep this channel growing. Trading style, spot trading. Target time frame, around 1 month. Entry levels, 5.288 to 6.268. Take profit targets. Target 1, 7.574. Target 2, 8.381. Target 3, 9.256. Target 4, 9.999. Target 5, 11.189. Stop loss, 3.222. Trading tips. Look carefully for entry points. Don't rush your trades. Use simple technical analysis tools like trend lines, price channels, and support/resistance levels. Trade management. Consider trailing your stop loss to lock in profits after reaching a target. Entry strategy. Look for entry after a price pullback. Disclaimer. This information is for education only and should not be considered financial advice. We wish you successful trading.